Is coughing and sneezing a sign of teething? If you're wondering whether coughing and sneezing are signs that your baby is teething, you're not alone. Many parents have the same question, especially when their little ones are going through this developmental phase. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the common symptoms of teething. These typically include drooling, gum swelling, irritability, and a tendency to chew on hard objects. These symptoms are directly related to the discomfort and pressure of teeth pushing through the gums. Now about coughing and sneezing. While these can be concerning symptoms, they are not typically considered direct signs of teething. According to several pediatric and dental experts, teething itself does not cause coughing or sneezing. These symptoms are more likely to be associated with other issues, such as minor infections or colds. However, there is an indirect link to consider. During the teething period, which often starts around 6 months of age, babies become more vulnerable to minor infections because their immune systems are still developing. This vulnerability can lead to symptoms like a runny nose, sneezing, and even coughing, but these are not caused by the teething process itself. It's also important to note that a runny nose or sneezing during teething is usually due to the increased salivation and the baby's tendency to put everything in their mouth, which can expose them to more germs. But the nasal discharge remains clear and does not turn green or yellow, which would indicate a bacterial infection. If your baby is experiencing a high fever, diarrhea, or severe coughing, it's crucial to consult with your pediatrician. These symptoms could indicate an infection or another illness that needs attention. In summary, while coughing and sneezing can occur around the same time as teething, they are not direct signs of the teething process. Always monitor your baby's symptoms closely and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns.